We're at Hospital Direct Medical Equipment here in San Diego, California, going over our home and residential electric hospital beds. And we sell hospital beds literally by the hundreds. And hospital beds for home can be done two ways, residential. They can be done semi-electric. They can also be done full electric. The beds we're looking at right now are Invacare beds. Invacare beds are probably the most popular beds that are sent to home use because they're actually pretty light. They're very easy to set up. They're brand new, and they come in semi-electric and full electric. Now, the one on the left right here, full electric hospital bed, it's going to have a motor that's going to do up and down, and then it's going to have a motor that's going to do head up and also a motor for foot up. And then right next to it here, we have what's called a semi-electric hospital bed by Invacare. Now, this is going to be less expensive. It's going to have the motor that'll do head up and it'll do foot up. But the height of the bed, the actual height, will be done with a crank. So if the person's getting in and out of bed a lot and they're not bedridden, usually they just need to set the height of the bed so it's comfortable for them to get in and out. And you can use a semi-electric bed. If you need a caregiver and patient, the person's going to be in bed a lot, then the full electric hospital bed might be a real good option for you as well. Now, we carry Invacare beds. These are popular beds. We also carry beds by a manufacturer called Hillrom, and we'll just go back here in the warehouse. But the Hillrom electric hospital beds, and we usually have them back here from Stryker too, these are full electric hospital beds. These are commercial grade beds, and these are the beds right here that you're going to see in hospitals. So the one we're looking at right now is a Hillrom P1400 bed, and we have these beds in stock. We've got Century beds. Electric hospital beds for home use range anywhere from $650, $700 up to $2,500, maybe $3,000 for an over-the-top bed that's real new with airflow mattress and fully refurbished. But the majority of the beds are $1,000, right around, a little less, a little more, somewhere right around there. The Hillrom beds for home and residential use are very popular. However, it's going to cost you $500, $600 to ship something like this around the country. So if money and the budget is an issue, the Invacare beds are a very good choice. But if you can afford the shipping, or you're close by California, Los Angeles, Huntington Beach, Orange County, San Diego, you can come pick these beds up, and they tip sideways. They'll go right through a front door. So these are some of the best electric hospital beds you can make for the home. This is a Century bed we're just looking at, and then this is another Century bed right here, just a little bit older model. But you can see these are super durable, metal frame, solid metal frame beds. Come right out of hospitals. We bring in representatives from Hillrom and bed refurbishing people. They go through the beds, make sure everything's in perfect working order so that when you get the bed, you don't have to worry about going through it or any problems. But if you're looking for electric hospital beds for home use, give us a call. Hospital Direct Medical, San Diego, California. We sell the hospital beds, gurneys, stretchers, but for home and residential hospital beds, we've got everything you need. We're wholesalers. We sell directly to the public, and we sell these beds hundreds at a time to dealers and brokers all over the world. Hospital Direct Medical, 858-731-7278. And then also you can go to our website for more information, more pictures and pricing. www.1hospitalbeds.com. We're at Hospital Direct Medical Equipment here in San Diego, California, going over our home and residential electric hospital beds. And we sell hospital beds literally by the hundreds. And hospital beds for home can be done two ways, residential. They can be done semi-electric. They can also be done full electric. The beds we're looking at right now are Invacare.